Connecting Ecwid to Facebook allows you to showcase your products on your Facebook page and sell directly to customers through social media. Here's how to set it up. Log into your Ecwid account. Visit Ecwid and sign in with your credentials. Access the Facebook integration. In your Ecwid dashboard, navigate to Settings and select Sales Channels. Here, find the Facebook option. Connect to Facebook. Click on the Connect to Facebook button. You will be prompted to log into your Facebook account. Ensure you have admin access to the Facebook page where you want to connect your store. Select your Facebook page. Once logged in, choose the Facebook page you want to link with your Ecwid store. Ensure that the page meets Facebook's commerce policies. Set up your Facebook shop. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your Facebook shop. This may include importing products from Ecwid and configuring the shop layout. Review and publish. After setting everything up, review your shop settings and publish your Facebook shop. Promote your store. Share your Facebook shop link with your audience and promote your products on social media.